welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a call using Termux. So, as we saw in the previous video, how to install Termux API application on your Android device and also how to send a SMS. Similarly, in this video, you're going to learn how to make a call using Termux. Now, clicking on my Termux application, typing apt update. Now, all the packages have been updated, and next typing apt install Termux API, then pressing enter, and next making call to your phone number or your friend's phone number. Now typing a simple command line, that is Termux telephone call, and next I'm going to enter my number and pressing enter. Okay, now it's asking me which SIM you want to select to make a call. I'm going to select SIM 1. Here you can see the call is getting connected. So this is how I'm going to make a call using Termux. So similarly, you can try in your phone by installing this application and typing these commands. So that's all in this video. Thank you.